Okay, today we're going to learn about how fraction and angle measures relate. Okay, we're going to be recognizing and identifying the 45-degree angle, 90-degree angle, 180-degree angle, 270, and the 360. Well, we know that the angles that we're talking about, what we're going to do is we're going to put these into fourths. Okay, this fraction piece here. We know that if we're measuring 1/4 of this angle here, this is 1/4, that's 90 degrees. We know if we can continue to go with measuring this angle, that's 180 degrees, and that is a half. If we do another 1/4, or another 90 degrees, we have 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees, which would be 270. And then we have the whole circle, which we're measuring the whole angle here. That is 360. We know that the straight lines are the rays, and we're measuring between the straight lines, okay? And we're measuring the angle of the circle here. That's what you're measuring when you measure an angle. So we're going to go up here and we're going to identify this angle. This angle right here is not quite a 90-degree angle. It is a 45-degree angle. So we have a 45-degree angle. Right here we have 180. That's half, right? We have a 90 and a 90 there. And then right here, they're measuring 90 degrees. And I forgot the degrees here. Right here we have, number 4 is there's 90, 180, and another 90, right? Because really, this fraction bar tile or circle is actually divided up into 4s here. We have 90, 180, and then we have 270. Okay, and then we've measured this full angle, the full round circle here, which is a complete 360. Then we have this angle here, which is half again, which is 180. All right, so with your partner, what I want you to do is open up to page with your practice book. I want you to open up to page, let's see, 249. So 249 in your practice workbook through 250. You're going to stop the video and you're going to open up your practice workbook to page 249 and 250, and you're going to complete that with your buddy partner, your shoulder buddy, okay? And when you're finished with that, both of you, go ahead and turn the video back on because you will be doing more. All right, the next thing we're going to talk about is angles and turns. We need to review some of this vocabulary. We have clockwise. Clockwise is the way the clocks of the hands go. Hands of the clock go, that is. So this is clockwise right here. Okay? Remember, it's the way that the hands in your clock moves. Okay? Counterclockwise is this way. Okay, it's the opposite way of the hands of the clock. Okay, knowing that, what we're going to do is we're going to form a 90-degree angle. Okay, this is a 90-degree angle here. Now we've turned it. What is this turn? It's a 90-degree angle, right, with a 1/4 turn. Okay. Now we're going to go 1/4 more. Okay, the angle that we've drawn and we could measure here would be a half turn. which we measured 180. Okay, and then we're going to go 1/4 more. And so we've gone 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, which would be a 90 degree, and plus 90 more would be 180. 90 more to that would be 270. So we have 3/4 turn, which measures a 270 degree turn angle. And then the last one, we're going to finish the circle. We're going to go 1/4 more. Okay, so right now we actually went a whole 360 degrees. So we went a 360 degrees, which is 4/4, or actually 1 whole. Okay, all right, so with that, you can go ahead and you're going to stop this with your partner, with your shoulder buddy again. You're going to get out practice book, workbook page, and you're going to do page 251 and 252. So with your shoulder buddy, 251 and 252. That is your practice workbook. Okay, so you can stop the video. You can always come back and look to see how you measure turns and angles, but I want you to complete page 251 and 252 with your partner.